Hey traders, hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. And before I start my video, let me inform you that I'm running a Cyber Monday offer, which is right here. I'm offering 50% discount, a lifetime membership for the full MMTA course, and the offer is only valid till 1st of December, which is Friday. All you need to do, just at the checkout, you need to type this discount code, which is CyberMMTA. I'm going to add the discount code in the description of this video as well, so that if you want to avail this offer, it is a one-time investment only, and I'm sure you will not regret it. All you need to do, just go to moneymarkers.uk and just scroll down and sign up here, which is a premium plan, and with that you'll get standard plan free for 1 whole year. So let's quickly start our analysis with natural gas first. So what do we have right here? Now let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. I'm going to show you how I personally took this trade, looking at this big bearish engulfing pattern. Means that we have a likely trend continuation. Price has just made a new low, and now we have a chance that price will retest and fall. Price is now in a process of a pullback. So from the low of this candle and till the zone up there that has been broken recently, and the zone that has been broken, now I'll be looking to enter my trades in a less aggressive way. That will be a push up and a bearish engulfing candle. If I get a condition like a bearish engulfing candle below 50 EMA, which is my red line, in that case I'll take a short entry and I'll use 1 ATR for my target initially, and then I'll manage my trade accordingly. For now, that is a less aggressive way to enter. Now if you pull up the Fibonacci tool, in that case the 50% retracement will be my sell limit order. If you want to enter in a very aggressive way with a hit of 50% retracement, you have a sell limit order. If that happens, I'll keep my stop loss above and take profit. Is normally 1.618 retracement, or use 1 ATR for your target initially and then manage till 1.618 retracement. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at. Awesome. So if you're brand new on my channel, right here the way we enter this trade and the way we like to enter in an aggressive way, it is something like this, which is, let me clear this mess up so that you can understand the conditions and how to enter the trade. So right now, once the pullback was started from the low of this candle till the high of the zone, which is right here, and yesterday I've mentioned that I'll be looking to enter aggressively if you want to enter in an aggressive way, which is 50% retracement. Right at the 50% retracement, we have the order triggered, and the target was initially 1 ATR, and then you can manage it accordingly. Now the price pushed lower, more than 1 ATR if you managed. If you look here, which is around 2 ATR, and if you look at the candle is 5 ATR is coming up right to the number if you see on the top left corner, which is 5. So price pushed lower, 2 ATR. So it's totally up to you if you want to exit or manage it till 1.618 retracement, and it's totally up to you how you manage your trades. So for now, it is also an aggressive entry, and with that, what do we have? A less aggressive way to enter, which is a bearish engulfing candle. Now once I see a big candle, it's totally up to you again. If you are my student in MMTA, then you know how we optimize the stops and target and how to enter in a different ways. So for now, if you see here, when I see this type of big momentum candle, rather than just entering here at the close of this candle, I would like to enter a little bit above the candle to get a better risk to reward ratio or a better entry. So the way I do it, again, pick up the Fibonacci tool from the low of the wick till the highest wick, and 50% retracement is your sell limit order of this candle only, not at the zone I've just shown previously. So just for the candle, my order was triggered right here, and this is how you can enter at a better price. Now the first target is right here, the second target is 2 ATR if you are a less aggressive trader, which is this bearish engulfing candle is your less aggressive entry. Target 1 and target 2 is right here. This is how I personally take my trade, and please do not take my words on it. Take your trades on your own risk. This is just my opinion, and this is how I personally take my trade, and just sharing my experience with you. So that right here, as mentioned yesterday, we had exact condition. We had a hit of 50% retracement, which is aggressive entry. We also had a less aggressive entry, which is a bearish engulfing candle. A very good example of entering in an aggressive and less aggressive way. I hope you have learned something out of that. So now price is pushing lower. The next condition I'll be looking at, once the price makes a new low, which is right here. And by the way, I've already mentioned this alert to my members, as I've sending them a trade alert for the forex pair right here. So the target has been hit already. If you follow me, you know the way I enter my pullback trades. Right here we had a pullback entry. The price was trading above 50 EMA. We had a nice bearish engulfing pattern, and that quickly hit our take profit. Now, if you see here, I've already mentioned my members that we have a valid pullback entry bullish, and we also got a valid pattern on natural gas, but it's a bearish engulfing pattern, which is also a good example of pullback entry bearish. So that is how we enter our trade, with conditions only. Without conditions, you are just gambling. Right, exact condition we had here, and now I'm expecting a price to head lower at this point, and the next entry I'll be looking at, if you are again not an aggressive trader, I would like to see a break below this previous low, and after that I want to see another pullback followed by bearish engulfing pattern. Now it is a very likely chance once the price break below this previous low, it will use 786 retracement as a resistance, and we can get a likely entry at 786 retracement, which is my bearish engulfing candle. Once we have that, we are good to go short again and keep on taking shots till the price give us a reason to enter buy trade. Not taking any buy trades as long as we are above all the EMAs, and as long as we are above the support area which I've just mentioned yesterday, which is 2.565, that goes down to 2.486, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with bullish engulfers or double bottom condition. 382 candles, hammer candles, all these are my entry condition. That's a weird hammer, by the way. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at for my trades. Keep an eye here. And for aggressive traders, if you are managing a trade, I would manage my trade till 1.618 retracement and keep pushing my stop loss to break even to secure some of my profits once the price hit my take profit too. So for now, keep looking for a break below this low, a pullback followed by bearish engulfer. Doesn't matter if the price forms a candle at 786 retracement or above that, it must be below 50 EMA for a valid condition. Exactly something like this, we have a very good example of that. Look for exact same condition, pullback entries only as price is making new lower lows. All I want to see another low and keep on taking shots once we see a conditions. So exactly the same here on Owanda. Right here we had a bearish engulfer, which is swing high bearish engulfer, which is a less aggressive way to enter. By the way, just want to show you here on capital.com we had a valid aggressive entry, but I forgot to mention that it is not a valid bearish engulfing candle. Right here the candle is a little bit lower than the previous candle. It must be an engulfing candle that fully engulfs the previous candle as well. But we have an absolute valid condition here on Owanda, where I personally take my trades for, especially for net gas. Right here we have a valid bearish engulfing candle that engulfs the previous candle from high till the low of the body. Right here a swing high bearish engulfing candle, a good example of less aggressive way and an aggressive way to enter, which is 50% retracement. Right here, exact same conditions. Look for break below the previous low, a pullback followed by bearish engulfing candle, and keep on taking shots till the price gets to the level below in green, which is, in case you missed this zone, which is right here, 2.419 goes up to 2.493, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with conditions like bullish engulfers and double bottom entry condition. Here on NEMEX, we do not have a nice pattern, but I personally look at capital.com and Owanda. Right here on NEMEX platform, the next buy trade will be, which is 2.457 goes up to 2.556, from where we'll be looking to enter buy trades with conditions like bullish engulfers or double bottom conditions. For now, all I want to see a break below this low with a pullback bearish engulfers. Keep on taking shots. So that is what I'm looking at. Not taking any buy trades as long as we are trading below all the EMAs. Next one, we have gold. Gold has just gotten to the level of major resistance, which is right here. If you look here, we had a level that has been tested multiple times as a resistance right here, and then we had a massive fall out of this level. So for now, what I want to see a nice conditions like green and red bearish engulfing candle. Once we have that, we have a good signal that price will likely push lower, and I will use one ATR for my stops and target, which is $7 initially. Once I see a condition, I will go $7 for my stops and target. If you look here on 1 hour time frame, we are still getting a condition which is a bearish engulfing candle. I have not tested gold on 1 hour time frame, mainly for aggressive entries, but if this candle closes as a bearish engulfing candle that engulfs the previous candle, including the wick, in that case we have a signal that price will push down at least $4 from here, and we might get a double top condition here on 1 hour time frame. If I have that, I will go short using double top pattern if we get one here on 1 hour time frame. But on 4 hour time frame, if we have a conditions like a green and a red bearish engulfing candle that engulfs the previous candle, in that case I will go short, and I will also look for double top conditions. So for now we are in a selling area, and all I'm looking at a condition to sell, which I've just mentioned, a zone that price is inside of. It is 2034.82 goes up to 2052.99, from where we are looking over sell conditions only. Here on silver, as now pushing up and that entry wouldn't have played out. Now we'll use this zone as our trend continuation zone. Bullish for now. The zone is broken. Price is trading above 24.26, goes to 24.73. Now if you get a pullback to this zone, all I'll be looking at buy trades only with bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA. If I have a pullback followed by bullish engulfers, I'm going to take my long trades only. For now, I'm not looking for any sell trades. All I'll be looking at a good pullback, maybe to 50 EMA and then a possible condition. And by the time we get a pullback, we might get a conditions for gold to take a short entry there, as well as gold and silver push side by side. And if you have a dramatic push up, then we have a next zone for silver to take our sell trade, which is 25.86, goes up to 26.39, from where we'll be looking to enter our sell trades with bearish engulfers or double top entry conditions. So keep an eye out, look for your conditions. Once we have that, we're good to go for our trades. Last one, we have crude oil. It's now broken above 50 EMA, so we have no condition here on crude oil. All I'm looking at conditions which will be a break above this high to take my pullback entries. For now, all I want to see a good momentum above 50 EMA and a possible pullback. If I see a bullish engulfing candle above 50 EMA, I'll go for a little scalp, not looking to manage my trade. So once I see a conditions like a pullback, once I see a good momentum above 50 EMA, pullback of few red candles followed by bullish engulfers, in that case I will go long a little scalp and see if the price breaks above this high to take another long trade till the price gets to the level above, which is 82.11, goes to 84.05, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade with bearish engulfers or double top conditions only. Keep an eye here. Once we have a conditions, we're going to take our sell trades from here, buy trades from the zone below in green, which is right here, the number you see in blue, from where we look to enter our buy trades if we have a dramatic push down. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.